I've said it before, Dane, that the PNP has an uphill task in trying to show the Jamaican people why they should switch from the Jamaica Labour Party. Because the issues that, for example, in December, that they were campaigning on, which are real issues, the matter of roads, the matter of water, the government has begun to address those pain issues. So it's an uphill task. And again, many individuals have asked about the messaging. What will the messaging be of the PNP?
So based on that, I think they should meet as a group and discuss the messaging going forward. But for now, it don't make this whole thing time come for what?
I will say this. I have seen some documents. I can't say how I've seen them. I've seen documents in terms of what the party spokespersons should focus on in terms of when they go out and campaign and talk to the people. And interestingly enough, at the top of that list is the Prime Minister's Integrity Commission report. Which it remains their single strongest message.